Yes, that's what it says.
Okay, all right. So you're pretty close to get your license back, right? Looks like you owe money on some other files out of our court.
The sovereign citizen.
Good morning, Mr. Greco.
Yes.
Morning. Morning.
Miss Young, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes.
I understand you've met with the prosecutor this morning and you've agreed to plead guilty to the added charge of no valid operator's license on person. Is that correct?
Yes.
You understand that that charge carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. Do you understand all that?
Yes, I do.
Did you read your right form or do you understand your rights?
Yes, I do.
You understand the options those rights present today?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on September 13 of 2025?
Yes, I did.
At the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I will accept your plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss the original charge. Are you working, ma'am?
Not at the moment.
When's the last time you had a job and where was that job at?
Foot Locker in 2018.
Okay. How come you haven't worked since 18?
I'm kind of like a stay-at-home mom, so
Okay.
I get their dad handles everything.
Okay. All right. And what's the status of your license? You still suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, only because of I had to handle this Romulus situation first. When I went up there to try to get it, I had to have this handled before I can come back.
All right. So the only thing, are you suspended?
Yes, that's what it says.
Okay. All right. So you're pretty close to get your license back, right?
Yep.
All right. All right, it looks like you owe money on some other files out of our court. Let me see what we got. Yeah, so the same day you got this misdemeanor ticket for drove while license suspended, they gave you 2 civil infractions, impeding traffic and distracted driving. Looks like you didn't do anything on those and they went into default on those 2 and a 2019 double parking. The 3 of those add up to $852. So are you in a position to get some kind of payment plan started?
I could do a payment plan.
They want to fry up.
All right. Is there anything else you want me to consider, Ms. Young, before I sentence you on today's file?
No.
All right. So on today's file, fines and costs, because we've got a show cause fee and warrant fee, that's an extra $150. So the total fines and costs on this file, $650. And I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program in lieu of jail. Currently, we're running that program 6 days a week. You pick which days you want to work, and we give you a schedule for those days. You got to show up at 8 o'clock in the morning on those days. So the total you owe us is roughly $1,500. How do you want to do that? You want to come in and make payment arrangements when you schedule your work days?
Yes, I could do that.
Tell me when you can come in.
I could come in June.
Today's the 12th. Pick a day next week. When do you want it? When I'll give you a deadline to get in here. Can you get in here sometime next week? I'll give you until the 19th, which gives you a full week.
Could we do the 21st? What is the? I could do the 19th. That's
21st,
fine.
'cause that's a weekend. 19th works?
Yeah, I could do the 19th.
Okay. So when you come in, you're going to pick 4 days on the work schedule and set something up on the payments.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck.
The sovereign citizen.